Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix your Snapchat Spotlight if it's not showing up and why it might have disappeared. First, make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Simply go to Play Store and search for Snapchat and update it if needed. As you can see, I have my Snapchat installed to the latest version. If it's still not working, go back to your settings and go to Apps and click on Snapchat and go to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. From here, finally, restart the app or even your device. Most Spotlight issues are resolved after a refresh. Following this step should bring back Spotlight and let you enjoy all the trending snaps again.